Happy Friday, everybody. I'm so glad that you guys are here today. I've got a new song for you. It's called Tarzan. And this song is fun because it gets faster and faster. So I'm going to show you the actions, and you guys got to do the actions too and try to keep up with the song. Are you ready? Here we go.
Tarzan was climbing up the vine, Jane and the monkey came down, swinging and swinging from side to side until they hit the ground. Then Tarzan said, "I'm hungry," Jane said.
Me too.
Monkey said,
Eat, eat.
They all sat and ate the food. Chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp, chomp. Tarzan was climbing up the vine, Jane and the monkey came down, swinging and swinging from side to side until they hit the ground. Then Tarzan said, "I'm hungry," Jane said.
Me too.
Monkey said,
Eat, eat.
They all sat and ate the food. Chomp, chomp,
Good.
Chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp, chomp. Tarzan was climbing up the vine, Jane and the monkey came down, swinging and swinging from side to side until they hit the ground. Then Tarzan said, "I'm hungry," Jane said.
Me too.
Monkey said,
Eat, eat.
They all sat and ate the food. Chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp, chomp. Tarzan was climbing up the vine, Jane and the monkey came down, swinging and swinging from side to side until they hit the ground. Then Tarzan said, "I'm hungry," Jane said.
Me too.
Monkey said,
Eat, eat.
They all sat and ate the food. Chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp.
chomp.
Tarzan was climbing up the vine, Jane and the monkey came down, swinging and swinging from side to side until they hit the ground. Then Tarzan said, "I'm hungry," Jane said.
Me too.
Monkey said,
Eat, eat.
They all sat and ate the food. Chomp, chomp,
Good.
Chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp, chomp.
Tarzan was climbing up the vine, Jane and the monkey came down, swinging and swinging from side to side until they hit the ground. Then Tarzan said, "I'm hungry," Jane said.
Me too.
Monkey said,
Eat, eat.
They all sat and ate the food. Chomp, chomp,
Good.
Chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp, chomp.
Tarzan was climbing up the vine, Jane and the monkey came down, swinging and swinging from side to side until they hit the ground. Then Tarzan said, "I'm hungry," Jane said.
Me too.
Monkey said,
Eat, eat.
They all sat and ate the food. Chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp, chomp. Tarzan was climbing up the vine, Jane and the monkey came down, swinging and swinging from side to side until they hit the ground. Then Tarzan said, "I'm hungry," Jane said.
Me too.
Monkey said,
Eat, eat.
They all sat and ate the food. Chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp, chomp. Tarzan was climbing up the vine, Jane and the monkey came down, swinging and swinging from side to side until they hit the ground. Then Tarzan said, "I'm hungry," Jane said.
Me too.
Monkey said,
Eat, eat.
They all sat and ate the food. Chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp, chomp,
Good.
chomp, chomp.
Did you guys hear Tarzan? That was Tarzan in the jungle. I've got a story for you about some jungle animals, and this is called Everyone is Yawning. And you might have read this in class. It's by Anita. Everyone is yawning. The kitten is tired. Can you see? Look, the kitten is yawning. The snake is yawning too. What a funny tongue. Is the raccoon tired? Oh yes, look, the raccoon is yawning. bunny is yawning very quietly. Look at those funny teeth. The piggy is yawning noisily. It grunts a bit. The piggy is very tired. The crocodile shows all its teeth when it yawns. And there's a lot of them. And the hippo yawns too, 3 times. Off to bed now, Arctic Fox. Can you see the Arctic Fox yawning? The turtle yawns very slowly. The little turtle is ready for bed. And the child? Is the child going to bed too? Oh yes, one more yawn and off to sleep. Shh, the owl whispers. Everyone is sleeping. Can you see the pig and the child and the raccoon and the hippo and the cat and the snake and the rabbit and the turtle and the Arctic fox and the crocodile? They're all yawning and sleeping. And I picked this story because look right here. The word yawning starts with the letter Y. I hope you guys all have a great weekend and stay safe and enjoy your time with your families, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.